Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this short video, my goal is to show you how you can edit a image. So actually in Shopify, you can edit an image, which is quite surprising. Now, it's not really complicated, really advanced editing feature. It's very simple, but that's actually what you need if you're just using some simple, again, photos. So if we head over to not orders, product here. Now here, let's say I have this product and I'm going to click on this product, right? And now what's really cool, this is just a dummy testing product, of course, just for creating this, and also this shop is for testing. But just so it loads, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your image, because let's say you like to actually remove the background, you don't want, takes you literally more time to import your image to Photoshop, remove the background there, and then go back to export, then export and add that image here on Shopify. Well, for that product now, it just saves you some time. I don't know why it's loading so slow. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this product, and it's very nice. I really like this, but be quite honest, I actually learned about this quite recently. So if you actually click when you import the image, and then, oh, you think to yourself, oh, I want to remove the background. If you click on here on this icon, this pencil, and if you go here, you have to crop and rotate, and then you also have draw, and you also have resize, and you also have enhance background. You can click on this button now. This will analyze the image, and let's say we can describe the background you want, describe the subject. You can add this will add like an AI. But also we have color here, and what I like, usually when you add your product, that's not really all the time, but you can remove the background. Should remove the background, depends on the image, but usually we can also remove at all, just remove the background, as you can see, and then add a color. You know, that the custom color, which is not maybe on a custom background for your brand, your logo, maybe is your website. It's different specific color, good. That's pretty nice, pretty helpful, So now I can click on done and click on save, and now remove, download, or close. And now we have this image here with this product. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Maybe it will save you some time. Maybe you didn't know about this, and this video helped you to learn something. You learn something new. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and take care and subscribe for more, and like this video if you found this helpful.